Okay guys, so we just got to the park. We're not going to do much today just because Cole's foot is it's better. It's a lot better. He was walking fine this morning, but I don't want to push him too much today. Maybe we'll take him riding later on in the day, but we really got to go because he has to use the bathroom. So we'll see you guys in a little bit, or if we don't see you in a little bit, thanks for watching. But I'm pretty sure we're going to film a little bit more. So if we do continue, see you soon. I don't know if you guys can see it, but he seems to be walking fine without any pain, so I think it's a good thing. I'm just gonna go home and make sure to ice his leg when I get there, just to make sure. But he seems to be okay. You feeling okay, buddy? Taco boy? Yeah, I think he's gonna be okay. So that means we might do some stuff today. So we'll see you then. Hi. Whoa. How you doing? You okay? I think you're feeling a lot better, huh? Yeah? No more hobbles for the Cole boy.